Hey guys, Trey here with LumiSketch. Just bringing you guys another video here. Today we're going to be going over the quotes section here, so we're going to check it out. So up here you can see our contact card for Horizon. Now you'll fill this out in your profile settings screen. We have a video on that you can check out if you have any questions there. Once you fill that out, it'll come over here and it'll actually import onto all of your PDF quotes and everything. Now, this right here is going to be your project initiation date. So you can set this for whatever day. It can be your sale date. It can be your install date, whatever you want. We've got our default price per foot. So this will set your price per foot for all the jobs. So we'll just set it to 32. That'll make all the sections $32 per foot. From there, we're going to fill out our customer information. We'll just put some filler information in here. So we'll put bunch of numbers. Hopefully we don't send someone a random email. Alright, we're going to put a phone number in here and our address, all the simple stuff here. That'll be autocomplete, so you can just click on that and go to the right one. Now all this is going to be exactly the same on the mobile app. Now with the credit card fee, it's the same thing. You'll set that up in your profile section and your sales tax configuration as well. Now if you hit enable sales tax, that'll automatically apply 7% to the entire order. But if you like to do the per item sales tax, you can do that as well. I'll show you here. Now we're going to go ahead and first we're going to import some measurements. So these were imported from the measurement tracker, which we had another video on as well, where you can track out all of your measurements for the building that you're putting lights on or whatever you're charging for. Now once you get those imported, you'll come down in here. You can change the names if you want. But now you'll notice on here as well, per item, you'll have include sales tax. So you can go to each individual item, set each individual sales tax, and it will put that sales tax on each item there. Now, scroll down. Here's your quote summary here. So you'll see this is 7% sales tax on every order. We had our credit card fee in there. We're going to go ahead and disable that. We don't charge that here. If you do disable it, it says discount applied. So if you like to show this screen to your customer, then they can at least see they got a little discount. Now this fee right here we have on every order. It also comes in from the profile screen, so make sure you set that up. If you don't have them set up, at the top here, it'll actually show you an orange triangle in this box. That'll just tell you you need to set that up. And then once you click on that, it'll take you straight to it and you can set those up. That way it's all automatically imported for your stuff. So here's all of our sections, our grand total here, our credit card fee, all of that is perfect. And you can have two options here. You can do create draft invoice if you have invoicing set up, or you can create a PDF quote. So once you do that, that's going to generate a quote for you. And this is what that looks like here. So you can send that off to your customers. You can archive it for yourself if you want to save it to your CRM or whatever you're using. That will generate that, and you can do what you need with it. So we could get more into the invoicing. We're going to have a whole video on invoicing. So once you get that invoicing set up, you just click on create a draft invoice, and it'll actually send that invoice to your customer that they can then just pay right then and there. So it makes it really easy to sell your product at the door, generate a quote for a customer, and get them all the information they need. And that way there's no miscommunications or issues in the process. So you guys know, just like normal, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out. You can leave a comment down below, or you can reach out to our customer center if you have the app and ask any questions from there. And remember, you can visit lumisketch.net/pricing and use code HOLIDAY10 at checkout to get 10% off your membership. And as always, drop a like and a comment on the video. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.